Hello and welcome to Scale Car Garage. Well, I just thought I would post a quick update with respect to the Scale Car Garage 356 Grand Prix Challenge. And I have to say, the response was delightfully fast and overwhelming, and wow, the 6 spots filled up very, very quickly, certainly faster than I thought they would fill up. So here I am in casting mode, and as you can see, I've got the molds and I've got my pipettes and resin, but that's what I'm going to be doing for the next little while to, well, fulfill what people have been asking for to participate in this event, and I'm so pleased. But I just wanted to do a quick update to say thank you to everybody who watched the episode, everybody who responded, and those 6 folks who are going to be participating. So again, I couldn't be more pleased, and just want to say I've got work to do here at Scale Car Garage.
I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.